In this lesson, we want to explain blur tool. To use, select one of the styles from between smooth or pixel. For example, we choose one of the smooth mode. And click and drag on the desired area to fade or blur that part, as you can see. You can also choose between different style again from the type section between pixelate or blur. As you can see, there are some of the difference between intensity, the blur or a pixel, as you can see. And if you want to customize intensity, it's here. You can determine the amount of this blur or fading by choosing the intensity number. And you can also change the size of this box area after drawing or rotate it. Okay, that's blur. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.